Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this video is gonna take forever for me to edit and also film it because today we are gonna be trying on my whole entire closet. So if you are watching this, please subscribe because I feel like I'm gonna be so done by the end of this video. I'm actually only gonna be trying on like my summer type of items. I'm not gonna be trying on like sweaters or coats or anything like that. I'll probably film another video like this, but like in the winter. I am going to be selling a lot of my clothing items on Poshmark. I actually already have been selling a lot of my clothing items on Poshmark. I'll definitely put my Poshmark somewhere on the screen so you guys know where to head over and shop my items. And a few of you guys have purchased a few things from there. So if you have purchased some things from there, thank you so much for supporting that. Let's just go ahead and get started because I have a feeling that this video is going to take forever. So yeah. Okay, so this is my closet, you guys. I do apologize for like this whole area in the back. I have a bunch of things that I'm trying to sell and a bunch of things I'm trying to donate, so that's why there's a bunch of bags and like just things like that. Kind of how my closet works, I have all my sweaters and like bulkier things towards this side, and then I have dresses, kind of like long sleeve things. I have my sports bras, short sleeves, and then crop tops and tube tops. And then I just got these two items, so that's why they're kind of just like randomly there. I did clean out my closet once already and I posted a lot of things on my Poshmark. So this is kind of what it's come down to, but I just kind of want to double check and make sure that everything I have it because I feel good in it and because it fits and stuff. But yeah, so let's go on and get started with my tube tops. So starting with tube tops, I actually don't have that many, but having a black one and a white one is always such an essential to have. Next up, we have crop tops, and you guys, I am a sucker for crop tops. I have so many white crop tops, like I don't even know how I got so many of them. For the summertime, I just love wearing crop tops. I feel like they go with anything. They go with jean shorts or even pants. I actually get a lot of my crop tops from American Threads and also Target. Target has so many cute and expensive crop tops that are actually really good quality. For my shirt section, this is actually such a random category for me because I have so many different types of shirts. I just feel like everybody has to have some random shirts in their house because they're just good for lounging around. For sports bras, I actually have so many of them from Victoria's Secret Pink because they're just so comfortable. I love wearing these when I'm either just lounging around or working out. So for long sleeve tops, I actually don't have that many, but I love having these around just because they are pretty comfortable to wear. Sets is definitely my favorite category. I love getting mine from either American Threads or Princess Polly. And in case you guys are interested in the tie-dye one, I actually made that and I have a whole video on how I made that one myself. Dresses is another one of my favorite categories. Most of my dresses I actually have gotten from Princess Polly. They have the cutest dresses and I 100% recommend them. For shorts, I currently don't have that many, but I definitely am planning on purchasing some new ones this summer. And then the very last category I have for today is skirts, which I actually will be buying more of very soon. So I realized that I forgot to film a proper outro, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys really like this video, let me know so that way I know to film another one when the weather starts to get a little bit chilly. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And also don't forget to shop my clothing items on Poshmark. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.